So for number 4, we're looking to factor these expressions. So we're doing the reverse of the distributive property. So let's put problem A right here. Now remember, on these, use the rectangle diagram to help you out here. We know the numbers that are inside. And since 15 and 13 don't really have any common factors, you look for a variable that can be factored out. So in this case, A, the letter A, is your common factor. And 15 and 13 would remain, as the numbers will be multiplied by A to give you what you had originally. So your answer for part A would simply just be A multiplied by 15 minus 13. And that would be the factoring out of the A in that particular problem. Let's look at part B. We got negative 6 negative 6x and negative 18y. Now this one has a number factor. The number factor here is 6, as 6 goes into both 6 and 18. So what times 6 gives us this? Negative 1x. And what times 6 gives us this over here? Negative 3y. So the expression that we're looking for is 6 multiplied by the top row, negative 1x minus 3y. And then lastly, part C. We have in the box 36 ABC and 54 AD. Common factors here appear to be, looks like 6 goes into both, so I'm going to pull out a 6. And it looks like you also have a letter factor of A that you can pull out. What times 6 is 36? What letters have not been used? You can see. So let's see, 6 will go into this 9 times. And the letter D hasn't been used. It looks like because of my factors I pulled out, I actually could have gone with a greater common factor. I could have factored out another 3, so I guess 18 would have gone into both of these. But if you did that, that's okay. You would have had 18 and 2 and then 3 on top here instead of 6 and 9. But 6a multiplied by 6bc plus 9d. And that is our factored version of part C. Let's move on to the last part here, and let's set up a table. As I've read this one ahead, you've got a small dog that's being fed a certain amount of cups and then over days. So it looks like they get 3/4 of a cup twice a day. So I guess you could say that you get 3/4 every half day based on that. So the question is, write an equation relating the variables and use it to help you find out for 210 cups how long it would take for that to take place. So this is straight up constant of proportionality problem. We just need to find out what they're multiplying here to get over there. So we just got to do 1/2 divided by 3/4, which is the same as 1/2 times 4/3, or 4/6, which is 2/3. So all we have to do is multiply 210 times 2/3. So I guess if F is the amount of food in the cups, then we would take 2/3 of it, and it will tell us. These are F, and days are D, then we would multiply F times 2/3 to get D. So we would say D is 2/3 F. And let's use the calculator for speed here. So 210 times 2/3 should tell us how many days. It would take us 140 days to use that much dog food. So 140 days. 140 days. And that's it for number 5.